Has anybody ever looked into depth map generator?
No. Dev map generator.
Depth map.
Oh, depth map.
Right.
Is this for your characters?
No. This is for taking an image of something and then putting it in, processing it into...
Like a 3D?
Yeah, to spit it out as like an STL.
Oh, okay. I'm looking
I've seen
some
people
now.
talking about it, but I don't really know anything about it.
That's pretty cool.
I started down this rabbit hole, but I stopped for a little bit. Then I'm trying to...
There was a guy I work with who bought one of these 3D scanners, and it was like $900, and he said it did a totally crap job. And
Oh, yeah.
He ended up returning it, but
Yeah, you can
yeah,
actually.
he said it was bad.
You have better luck making a rig and using your phone.
Yeah.
Like making some kind of dolly to where it goes
Yeah,
around.
a turntable
Like a
that holds your
Lazy
phone at
Susan
a
or something,
specific.
yeah.
Yeah. But no,
Looks like
he's
Blender
actually
has an add-on
talking.
for depth mapping.
He's actually talking about there's some technology out there right now that'll take a photograph,
Right.
a 2D photograph,
Right.
and turn it into a 3D printable object.
Right.
Oh, cool.
I started into this rabbit hole, and then I kind of got distracted by something else, but I kept it open and I haven't got back to it.
I always find boobs distracting.
See, that'll happen. That'll do it every time.